Welcome everyone, my name is Vincent and I work at the UNLV Bike Shop. If you haven't heard of us, feel free to check us out anytime. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you all some essential repairs for your bike when you're riding on the road or on the trail. Let's get started.
While riding, you might notice that pedaling is difficult, or maybe even your brakes squeak. Chances are that this can be quickly fixed on your own. First, locate your brake's barrel adjuster. Examples are shown with the red arrows on screen. Then consider how your brakes feel. If your brakes seem loose or unresponsive, turn the barrel adjuster clockwise to tighten the cable. If your brakes seem tight to pull or make noises, turn the barrel adjuster counterclockwise to relieve tension in the cable. Disc brakes, however, are a bit more mechanically involved. While riding and you feel like there's resistance while pedaling, this next repair will apply to you. This repair can be done with the bike on its wheels, but either way works. Start by slightly loosening the brake caliper until you can shift it side to side in place. Then give the wheel a good turn and apply the brake firmly. While maintaining pressure, retighten the caliper. Take turns tightening each bolt incrementally. What this repair does is it realigns the caliper to the brake disc. Auditory examples are shown in the next slides. In this next section, I'm going to show you how to do a repair on a broken shifting cable. This repair works for most derailleur models. Begin by loosening the cable clamp to free the cable. Then remove the entire cable from the bike. Remove all cable housing and keep it somewhere you can remember. Then reinstall the cable backwards with the thick cylindrical end finishing at where the barrel adjuster used to sit. Pull the cable so that the derailleur guides the chain to the gear that you want. Tighten the cable clamp to secure the tension. What this repair does is that it maintains cable tension on one gear setting for your derailleur, therefore giving your bike a one-speed setting.
On a side note, note that some of these repairs do require tools. Consider bringing a pocket tool with you while you ride, especially the one linked at the end of the video. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like these videos, make sure to let us know. All of these repairs are offered at the UNLV Bike Shop at student or regular pricing. For more information about these repairs, please visit the links at the end of this video.